The spark has been lit and the drumbeats of war are thumping loud in West Asia. Iran attacked Israel with hundreds of drones on the 13th of April as retaliation for Israel targeting its consulate and generals in Syria earlier in the month. The attack, though didn't cause much destruction in Israel, has stoked fears of an all-out war in West Asia. This renewed fear of a larger conflict in the region has brought renewed attention to Iran and Israel's armed forces. A side-by-side comparison of Iran and Israel's militaries shows that Tehran outclasses the Jewish nation in terms of manpower. Iran has a population 10 times larger than Israel's, from which it draws its armed forces. According to Global Firepower's 2024 index, Iran's population stood at 87,590,873. Compare this to Israel, who has a population of 9,043,387. This means that Iran has a larger pool of people to pick from. In fact, a New York Times report has stated that the Iranian armed forces are among the largest in the West Asia region, with at least 580,000 active duty personnel and about 200,000 trained reserve personnel divided among the traditional army and THE. This in comparison to Israel, which has 169,500 active military personnel in the army, navy and paramilitary. A further 465,000 constitute its reserve forces, while 8,000 form part of its paramilitary. However, when it comes to defense spending, Israel outclasses Iran. The Global Firepower Index reveals that Israel's defense budget is $24 billion whereas Iran's is $9.95 billion. However, Iran's military establishment, especially the Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps, IRGC, does not depend merely on the state budget for its funding, according to the Washington-based Foundation for Defense of Democracies, FDD. The military establishment controls 1/5 of the market value of companies listed on the Tehran Stock Exchange and owns thousands of other companies, all of which generate revenue for the armed forces, the FDD reported. Additionally, the IRGC controls a significant portion of Iran's underground economy. However, Iran's missile arsenal is incomparable. The International Institute for Strategic Studies has reported that Iran has one of the largest arsenals of ballistic missiles and drones in West Asia, which includes cruise missiles and anti-ship missiles, as well as ballistic missiles with ranges up to 2,000 kilometers. These have the capacity and range to hit any target, including Israel. In fact, Iran has made no secret of the buildup, displaying its trove of drones and missiles during military parades, and has ambitions to build a large export business in drones. Iran's drones are being used by Russia in Ukraine and have surfaced in the conflict in Sudan. One of the biggest strengths that Iran has militarily is its complex military apparatus. In fact, a New York Times report states that Iran's adversaries, primarily the United States and Israel, have avoided direct military strikes on Iran for decades, not wishing to tangle with it. Afshan Ostover, an associate professor of national security affairs at the Naval Postgraduate School and an expert on Iran's military, tells the American news outlet, there is a reason Iran has not been struck. It's not that Iran's adversaries fear Iran. It's that they realize any war against Iran is a very serious war. Iran arms, trains and supports a network of proxy militias throughout West Asia known as the Axis of Resistance. These militias include Hezbollah in Lebanon, the Houthis in Yemen, militia groups in Syria and Iraq and Hamas and Palestinian Islamic Jihad in Gaza. While they are not counted as part of Iran's armed forces, they are battle-ready, heavily armed and fiercely loyal to Iran and would even come to Tehran's aid if weaponry takes on Israel. While Iran may outdo Israel in terms of sheer manpower strength, Tel Aviv holds the edge in terms of weaponry. For instance, Israel possesses more air power than Tehran. The Global Firepower Index reveals that Israel has a total of 612 aircraft, whereas Iran has 551. The one important aspect to point out is that Israel's Air Force comprises the most modern fighter aircraft like F-15S, F-16s, and F-35S. But that is not the case for Iran. In Israel's possession is also its famed multi-tiered aerial defense system, which includes the Iron Dome, David's Sling, Arrow as well as the Patriot. These together were able to fend off Iran's barrage of drones and missiles on Saturday night.